Howdy guys, welcome back to Cruiserman's Inventions. I actually added another 2 batteries, making it 84 volts. Once again guys, we're going to try and do this again, and I'm holding this a whole different way, trying to get you the best footage possible. What I'm going to try and do guys, I got a GPS speedo on here. I'm actually going to try and beat the world's record with the world's fastest alternator bike guys. The world's record is 73.3 Ks, and if I can beat that and I can prove it from start to stop on my GPS, then I'm winning. The last one was done with a 3000 watt controller at 100 volts. This is only 2000 watts at 84 volts. Let's get going guys. 110 amp alternator. Let's check the, oh, forgot the camera's there, yep. It actually says 90 something, but it's actually 84, but because all the batteries are fully charged up, it's 80, yeah. Okay, let's go. It's 91 rather. Oh my goodness. Yes, come on GPS, come on, track it. Okay, I'm gonna try and do the best I can guys with this camera, okay? You may hear the wind a little bit as I'm taking off. Just waiting till the GPS kicks in. Okay, it's kicking in guys. I don't want to waste all my juice and this thing's not recording, you know what I mean? Okay, here we go. It's at 28 Ks at the moment. Ramping it up 20, 29, 30. I'll just get up and around the corner. Let's go. I just rebuilt the front forks here guys, which is here, and now the whole bike actually stands higher off the ground. There we go. So I managed to get all that done, and so I'm pretty impressed with that. And, so yeah guys, I done all that yesterday. Okay, here we go. Waiting for the GPS to kick in. Kicking in. 21, 24. Oh, I can feel the power difference already, guys. Oh, this one's gonna take us to the moon. 36, 38, 40. Kicking in. Here we go. Alright. Oh, wait for it guys. I'm going to show you something that is pretty cool. Here we go. Down here. Whoops. Oh shit. Oh, you motherfucker. Okay, it said 80 Ks on my thing. Ah, get off. I think I just wiped it off. Oh, you son of a gun. Mm. Oh, shit. Where is it? Anyways, guys, I've done 80 Ks. I saw 80 Ks on the meter. That's a pretty hard thing. Oh, man, what a son of a gun. Oh, well. Shit. You'll have to start it all over again. Let's do it again. Fuck. Oh, that sucks. Ugh. Well, anyway, I know it done 80. If you believe me or not, that's, it's up to you. But I know it said 80. It had it right there before I hit the wrong damn button. There we go. I might do it now because I haven't got the same amount of power to do it. Anyway, it doesn't matter anymore. It really doesn't matter anymore, guys. Ugh. Because there it is, 80.1 kilometers an hour at 84 volts, and I've already ordered up the charger, guys. I'm not going to waste anyone's time anymore. There it was. I already hit it. It's a problem that this camera doesn't pick this stuff up. It said 68 on the way back, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go into histories and all the rest of it. I don't know much about stuff like that, guys. That's why a lot of my camera work is a little bit horrible, unfortunately. But I can build like the wind blows, and I can certainly race like the wind blows. So thank yous all for watching, guys. 80 Ks is the speed to beat, guys. Whoo! Cruiser man out.